Hello students, an infinitely long straight wire carrying current I is bent in a planar shape as shown in the diagram. The radius of the circle is r. The magnetic field at the center O of the circular loop is. So there is a long straight wire carrying current I. It is bent in a planar shape as shown in the diagram, and we have to find out magnetic field at the center of the loop. The total magnetic field at the center of the loop will be equal to magnetic field due to this part of the wire AB. This is half of the long straight wire carrying current I. So magnetic field due to it will be equal to mu naught I upon 4 pi r, and this would be out of the page at point O. Similarly, magnetic field due to this part of the wire DE. This is also half of the long straight wire carrying current I. So magnetic field due to it is also mu naught I upon 4 pi r, and this will also be out of the page, that is positive x-axis direction. And magnetic field at point O due to the loop itself will be equal to mu naught I upon 2r, and this would be into the page, that is in the negative x-axis direction. So this is mu naught I upon 2r. So this is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r I cap minus mu naught I upon 2r I cap. So we get mu naught I upon 2 pi r 1 minus pi, and this can be written as minus mu naught I upon 2 pi r pi minus 1 I cap. So therefore option 2 is correct. Alright, thank you very much.